Hello, people. Today I'm gonna be reacting to funniest animal videos on YouTube. I'm gonna find a short one since I'm sleeping soon. Where is it? Silliest cats on earth. I'm just gonna watch this one. We do not care, advert. Let's see if I can sit
These
down.
are the funniest animal videos ever.
Hold it. It's Mr. Krabs.
No way.
Put him right here.
He looks so cute. Oh my god.
Alright. Okay.
Why are you still here? Go away.
Get out, seagull. Go. Alright, that was actually funny, I have to admit.
Wilson just coughed and fell.
Dude. What? That's just weird. Oh, look.
I need an egg. Thank you.
Oh my god. W chicken right there. W chicken. Oh my god, what was that? What was that? What is this?
These people were lost and stopped to ask for directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, ¿para Bolonia?
Qué bueno, tío.
Animals are getting smart. Vienna sausages. Alright. Alright, what do you have to say?
Oh my god.
Oh, okay, leave him alone.
Eat in my car, maybe there's something dead on it.
Be careful, that's about. Oh my god, these are actually funny.
This sheep was stuck in a trench and got rescued.
The time they're not even funny.
W
person. W person. Help us.
person.
Dude, what are you doing, little
Thank you for being so patient. You've been so patient.
Oh, the other one.
Okay,
He's
now.
gonna eat the entire thing. Oh.
This poor little hedgehog deflated. These girls found a squirrel on the side of the road that they thought could use some help.
Oh my god. Move? What is gonna happen?
This person tried picking up a frog.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Chicken Nugget will be happy with you. Oh. Who? What are you? What?
Go, Saskia.
Oh my god, bro is not having it.
Hey, you almost done?
No, parrots are so smart, I think. What's that? Is that
Horace? Horace, no, that won't go in your cheek. Come here. No, no.
That is not
Pass
fitting
me the
fitting me up, bro. That's not fitting me up. Hello, kangaroos. Oh, sumo wrestling's there. Strike!
This streamer was trying to sneak up on this deer without scaring it. A zoo installed a new security camera and it scared the snow leopard.
That's kind of funny. What are you doing?
It's like, oh, there's a gun on.
What up, everybody? Oh, I see how it is.
I don't.
Rude.
So this is really interesting and I have no explanation for why, but this frog refuses to jump outside of this circle.
Yeah?
Jump! 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 Oh my god. Never kiss lambs again. Goats.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Nah, that's the maddest, bro. Bro? That's sick. Gonna put it on, bro?
He's not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna.
Bro, you can't.
Nah.
Yo. Yeah. It's 8:40, and I'm making a video. When the video I'm watching finished. I'm 4 minutes 50 seconds into the video, and the video lasts 20 minutes and 30 minutes. I'm talking to my mum, guys.
Hi.
For some reason, this horse doesn't like talking to men.
No boys, right? Especially not this one.
Especially not this one. I don't get it. BB, please can you move away? I know you're in front of me. Dude! No! Shut up, you bird. Be quiet. Be quiet for free, Rob.
He made a fire to warm up his horses that were in the field.
For the horses
That's
here.
what you get for screaming, karma.
And this one might have got a little close.
These two little guys were spotted doing push-ups at the gym.
Nice.
This gorilla was upset that their stick got stuck.
Oh no! Why did he even put it in that in the first place? What are you fighting for? Go kangaroo!
Mashallah.
We'll actually jump on the that thing. What is that?
Yeah.
What is that? Hello.
Poor guy got so upset.
Who got upset? Right, this bear might actually.
Thanks for everything, Al.
We do not care about elves crying. Dude! What are you doing? Dude!
Well, hi there.
Hello, sheep.
Are you good or are you bad?
Bye.
I'm not sure if this cat is really brave or really dumb.
Top 10 Bravery Awards 2025. Bravery Awards 2025.
This poor pelican suddenly fell asleep.
I don't know.
They will. Look, he just has to. Yeah.
Anyways, all credits go to Daily Dose of Internet. By the way.
Where are you going?
This cat was chasing a mouse and couldn't figure out where it went.
Where's the mouse?
Behind you. Well, that's not gonna help. Try scratching your head.
I'm trying to. I'm good. No.
I guess you never know when squirrels might attack.
Boom! Oh. Naughty squirrel. Bad squirrel. Oh my god. Fast. I'm laughing because they're laughing.
This pigeon was walking around and intentionally put on some bread necklaces.
Bread necklace.
This llama heard someone make a rude comment.
Ew, he's ugly.
That's cute.
Damn, did I say something?
I don't get it. I thought you were gonna spit. Oh, sleeping noises. Dude! Don't eat it! No! Yeah.
This monkey just realized that he might need some glasses.
He's got my glasses. What's your
Glasses
prescription,
might
bro?
be cooked. Alright, nice running around a marathon.
So what do you think he's thinking about?
I don't know. Maybe returning to the wild?
I think we found out who the main character is.
We definitely did.
She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act.
Bro. Animals these days, bro.
Say cheese! Cheese! Say cheese! Cheese!
Nice. You can. Dude, animals are so naughty. Is that bird food?
This groundhog keeps stealing food from this farmer and always eats it directly in front of the security camera.
Dude, this isn't a mukbang. This isn't a mukbang. Goodbye, chum.
These otters were spotted chasing a butterfly.
Let the butterfly live, butterfly. Let it be. You can do
I
it.
think this fish is broken.
That is not a fish. That is not a fish.
Sometimes an octopus will try and punch a fish just for fun.
What is this? Oh, it's the animal. Could have eaten.
Wakey, wakey.
Oh my god.
This is a hognose snake, which is a harmless snake that likes to play dead.
Likes to play dead.
For some reason, this cow was trying to catch its own tail.
First top 10 sightings of cows acting like dogs. Or cats.
I have never seen this type of disrespect before.
Okay.
Dude, eat. Oh no, raccoon.
For some reason, this hamster has a knife.
Murder.
Why is this capybara so small?
Oh, I'm so glad my sister isn't seeing this, or else she was screaming, capybara!
This truck that was carrying oranges broke down, so these elephants took advantage.
The guys have got a bit of a problem here. And the elephants are coming and helping themselves, taking advantage.
These eagles were trying to build a nest together.
Where are you? What are you looking at? Dude! You literally almost choked your partner. Yeah? 6 minutes?
Oh my god. Apertura automática.
Ma che brava, Nisso!
Oh.
He's done with asking and has started demanding.
Oh my god.
Hello? Are you alive? Are you a statue?
This guy found a really round bear.
He is a fat bear. Oh my god, the Gina bear.
He's so chunky. There's a lot more over here on this left side.
This duck loves getting kisses.
Okay. Yeah, I did not see that.
It's not
Orchestra's gonna be good. Peak music.
back.
Have you ever seen a horse that's equipped with turbo? This pigeon was hurt, so they spent months nursing it back to full health. They were finally ready to release it back into the wild. I can't tell which bird is more angry.
Neither can I.
This poor little guy doesn't know how wheels work.
I'm speechless.
This fish somehow found a pacifier.
Baby fish. Satisfied baby fish.
This little baby chicken was adopted by this duck.
Is this daycare but for ducks? This duck care?
Hey, Dreamer poop.
Dreamer pooped, yes. So just
Oh man. You poop? Oh yeah?
This ostrich kept bothering this giraffe.
kicked him.
Giraffe.
I don't think the
Kick him.
ostrich was supposed to be there.
Oh, yes! Knockout!
This monkey was really excited to see her.
WWE knockout.
Good morning, Nick. Yeah, good morning.
This poor little guy couldn't hold on.
No! Vortex spiral. You're gonna cause a black hole. Please stop. You're gonna cause a black hole. No! No! No!
Damn.
Oof. They'll get revenge one day. That is not chicken.
This penguin wasn't having a very good day after falling in some mud.
No, this penguin might die. Seriously?
This cat somehow managed to scare away a bear.
Bear. Anytime a bear comes into your house or like attacks you, get a cat.
They couldn't figure out why their car wasn't starting.
Just like that, guys.
Jump scare.
Oh my god.
Nah, my M4 just got jacked.
I have to see that
My
again.
M4 just got jacked.
I'm dying. Oh my god. No, I have to see that again. Stop! It's gonna... Hi, gorilla. Dude.
Oh, I'm trying to go to sleep or take a nap, and he's just...
It seems like this bird is trying to be as annoying as possible.
Dude, dude, the bards are the most funny in this.
So why is he sitting like this?
Hi. Just chilling. Bro's just chilling.
This lion was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened.
What unexpected happened? Is the tree falling? Okay.
Someone found a bird that wants to take over the world.
Guys, we might be cooked. We might actually be cooked.
No.
This bird.
His face. It looks like he's laughing.
What are you doing? Are you scratching your neck?
He really decided that violence was the only option.
Yeah, these are fake.
Oh, Pigeon Tower.
I'm dying.
This deer loves eating bananas. These two fish really don't like each other.
Enemies versus
What
fish
the heck is going on
friends
here?
versus eggs.
Bro. Oh, what? What? I told you, you have to stop coming around. Stop bringing your mates. I can see he's there. We have no food.
The fisherman caught a fish and then tried to release it, but it wouldn't swim back down. This is because there was air in the gas bladder of the fish. The fisherman helped the fish burp to release the air.
Burp it out.
That is not about.
Is that better? Now let's see.
Goodbye.
Oh, look at that. Away he goes.
How many clankers? Bro, is this what you call manhunt? Run.
Let's go, let's go.
These raccoons were caught in the act.
Fun fact. Pencils and diamonds are both made out of carbon. Are they doing a ritual? Alright.
That is the end of this video, or I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again.
Thank you for the video. Out of all of them, I have to say, where's the parrot? Out of all of them, the parrot who flapped his wings in his owner's face is the funniest. That parrot who is definitely the funniest. That parrot, bro. I hope you can agree with me. Bye. Credits to your daily dose of internet.